Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We are magnetizing a World Eater's khorne berzerker model. Now I know what you're thinking, just because this is a khorne berzerker, I mean you can use this on any type of marine body. I usually use them on all of them, both power armored and terminators, mainly my characters. Here is a list of our tools, standard modeling tools you should have already. Pin vise, clippers, knife, putty. Here are the magnets we'll be using for this. We're using a disc magnet that is 1/8 by 1/16. And onto our glue, we are using Citadel plastic glue to build the models and any type of super glue you wish to glue the magnets in. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our hobby knife and carve a little divot in the center of each of the shoulder joints on the torso and on the arms. That's where we're going to drill our first holes. What I normally like to do is I like to drill out the first holes, and then I like to pin it. And when I pin it, I will use the pin to score another mark on the arms to make sure they both line up. This is something interesting I wanted to point out. These newer model kits, some of the arms have holes already in them, so all you really need to do is just widen them with your largest drill bit, just to make sure that your magnets are going to fit inside. But it's a nice little addition to the new model kits out there, and I thought it was a nice little feature to shout out. Now that we have our pilot holes drilled out, we're increasing the size of them, the width and the depth a little bit. We're not going too deep because there's not a lot of material on the arms. Even though if you do punch through the entire arm, you have the shoulder pad to cover it up. On some of these, the bare armed models, you're going to have to be a little careful with. But those holes are pretty much done for you right there. As you see, we're already at our third hole size here. The model is completely drilled out. Now it's time to glue in the magnets. I like to start with the arms. I usually use another model that I've already magnetized body-wise, so that way I know all of my polarities are the same on the arm. Once the glue is dry on the arms, I like to take the arms, attach a new magnet onto the magnetized arms, put some glue in the torso, and that's how I glue in the magnets to the torso. And here is the end result. You have the eviscerator already equipped. I can easily give him bolt pistol chainsword or plasma pistol and chainsword. I do this for all the weapon types on either my power armor or Terminator models, just to have the versatility, and it makes things cheaper. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next, and I'll do it. Bye.